We begin tonight at 5 with a hearing in the felony battery case against Fox Sports analyst Mark Sanchez. The former pro football player is accused of attacking a man earlier this month while in Indianapolis to call a Colts game.
And he's been off the air ever since then. Ashton Hackman in the courtroom for that hearing today. And Ashton, what was discussed there?
Mark Sanchez was not inside the Marion County courtroom on Wednesday, but his attorneys were there in his place. This hearing taking place between the judge and attorneys on both sides lasted only a few minutes.
Criminal Court 21 is now in session.
Tonight, a trial date set for December in the criminal case against Fox Sports analyst and former NFL player Mark Sanchez. The 38-year-old is facing felony battery, public intoxication, and other misdemeanor charges. Police say Sanchez was stabbed on October 4th after allegedly attacking a 69-year-old truck driver in a downtown Indianapolis alley. These graphic photos provided by the family of the victim, Perry Toll, show the extent of his injuries. Surveillance footage obtained by the New York Post shows Sanchez stumbling up the street after the attack. Attorneys say both men are still recovering and it may impact the case schedule.
Thank you for allowing our client to be excused from today's hearing. He's still recovering from the injuries he sustained in the medical intervention, so that process is ongoing and it may impact some of the dates, but right now we'll note those dates for our calendars.
Sanchez remains free on bond and allowed to return home to California. Prosecutors are doubtful the case will be ready for trial by December.
The case is progressing normally. We're looking forward to the discovery process. We're continuing to work with our partners in law enforcement, developing facts and information. But I doubt December is a realistic trial date.
Sanchez spent 10 seasons in the NFL before retiring in 2019. He and his employer, Fox Sports, are also in a civil lawsuit by Toll, alleging the company failed to ensure Sanchez had professional conduct while in town for work. Neither Fox Sports nor Toll's civil attorneys returned our requests for comment.
For now, that trial date is set for December 11th. At the Community Justice Campus, Ashton Hackman, 13 News.
Thanks, Ashton. And the judge also set hearing dates for November 20th and December 2nd. Right now, it's likely for those appointments to be attorneys only.